What's up, guys? If you're seeing the GETSOCKOPT connection timed out error in Minecraft, here's how to fix it. This error usually means your connection to the server is being blocked or interrupted either by your firewall, DNS settings, or your internet provider. Let's fix it step by step. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure you're connected to a stable network. Try restarting your router or switching to a wired connection if possible. Step 2. Disable your firewall temporarily. Open your Windows security settings, go to Firewall and Network Protection, and temporarily turn off the firewall. Then try joining the server again. Step 3. Change DNS settings. Go to your network adapter settings and switch your DNS to Google's. Set it to 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4, then restart Minecraft. Step 4. Check hostname or IP. Make sure you're entering the correct server IP. If the server is down or blocking connections from your region, try a VPN. Step 5. Flash DNS cache. Open command prompt as admin, and type ipconfig to flushdns. Then press enter. Try Minecraft again, the issue should be gone. If none of this works, the problem might be on the server's side, not yours. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped.